running from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Johanna and this is my cozy country home. In this video, I am taking part in the Power Hour collab hosted by Jay for DIY with Jay Jackson. In my video, I'm going to be sharing my after work routine where I straighten out for the day and prep for the next morning. So to start off, I'm just making my lunch prep. I do work in an office, but I don't buy lunch. I buy lunch once a week as a treat, sometimes not even that. So I like to go ahead and get my lunch ready. For this evening, I'm prepping just some tuna and crackers so I can enjoy the next day while I'm sitting down in my office at my desk.
Covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are.
Next, I'm just doing the dishes. Of course, we all have to do the dishes. There weren't that many dishes on this particular day, but it's something that I have to do every single night, as well as just wipe down the countertops. That's another daily task that I do every single day after work. Now I'm just refreshing my couches. I am a pup owner. Between my pup and my son who loves to lay on the couch, I'm constantly having to straighten out our throw blanket. Last thing I do is I'm just combing out Adonis. Now Adonis is a Morkie. Morkies do not shed. However, their hair does get matted. I use the BioSilk Dog Detangling Spray. His hair does get matted, so I try to brush it out as much as I can. And thank you so much for Jay from Jay Jackson DIY for hosting this collab, this Power Hour collab. I hope everyone is having a wonderful week and I will see you guys soon. Bye.